Not only you can create graphic design and art in Illustrator, you can also create all types of graphs as well using the graph tool. The graph tool is located here on the toolbar, and there are 9 graph tools provided in Illustrator. So let's create some graphs. Click on the column graph tool or press J on the keyboard to activate it. Now just click and drag on the artboard to make the graph. You can also press Shift key to constrain the size of the graph. And when you release the mouse, the graph data window opens up where you enter the data for the graph. So let's add some data. Here I am going to add names which will be enclosed in double quotation mark. This way of enclosing any string within double quotes, you specify a column name. And then let's add salary data. And now click on this tick mark to commit the change. So clicking on this cell style button, you can change the number of decimal points and cell size properties. You can also transpose the table by clicking on this transpose button if you like. This graph does not look that attractive, so let's change the color of the bars. So use the direct selection tool to select any bar and then change the color from the swatch panel. One feature I like the most about Illustrator when working with graph is that you can apply any symbol on the bars of the graph. So let's create a star, and now let's change its color. Then go to Object, Graph, Design. Then rename the symbol, let's say star, and press OK. Now select the graph and right click and choose column and then select the star. And you will see now the bar is replaced by our star symbol. You can change some properties of this design. So if I choose uniformly scaled, the star will be uniformly scaled and not stretched. And the size of the star is in accordance to the data. Because John has 3000 salary, this star is the biggest. You can also make the star repeating. So if I choose repeating and give a value 1, then there will be 3000 star lined up vertically for John. And to change the type of graph, you can go to Object, Graph and select Type. From here, you can change the type of graph. So this is all about the graph tool.